In this video, you're going to learn how to pick a winning dropshipping product and scale it to $10,000 profit per month after doing millions of dollars on Shopify. I am actively exposing the secrets that the gurus do not want to expose. Because right now, if you struggle with how much you spend when you're testing, this is going to stop it, at least for a little bit. You're going to see every single dollar you spend on every keyword that you input. As you can see from my screen, we've done over $100,000 in the last 6 months just with this method alone. I'm going to let you in on a little secret.
Now, if I told you I can give you an entire catalog of winning products that dropshippers already put together with the winning ads that go along with them for a very low cost per month, on top of getting a discount with it, wouldn't you be interested in that?
This is one of the best tools to find winning products today, right now. We're going to go to the business plan and picking a winning product. Yes, this is a paid platform. I have a 20% discount in my bio. I want you to sign up right now with the discount code simply so we can start picking winning products today and making money by tomorrow. But this is how I use it and how I did over $100,000 in the last 6 months.
Before we hop into any Google ad strategies, is if you're not using Mina, you're doing yourself a disservice. The hardest part about this business is finding and understanding what makes winning ads and winning products. Why would you waste any more time without a tool like Mina when it does all of these things for you? On top of winning products, they have coaching calls, exclusive partnerships with Zendrop, even more exclusive communities and accelerator programs with higher level coaching calls, premium lists full of top 100 winning products to sell on Facebook, TikTok, trendy e-commerce stores. They even post top 10 products of the day, as you guys can see, with the ads that go along with those products. They categorize ads for you like weekly winners, best of the month, seasonal, cash machines. Now, not every single one is going to be a winner for you. However, if you can organize it in one place to find every single ad and product on top of already getting a discount, why wouldn't you want that? Now, that is exactly what Mina is, and that is exactly what I'm offering to you today. You can filter products by engagement like likes, comments, and shares, which is huge for me. Very, very important. You can sort it by winning countries. You can sort it by Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can sort it by date. You can sort it by how recent it is. An entire section dedicated to e-commerce stores so you can spy on some competitors and get some ideas, brainstorm what you want your store to look like. They have a browse feature where you can browse products endlessly. They categorize and grade products for you to have an idea of where to start when you're trying to pick your first winning product. So without further ado, let me show you exactly how I pick my products and how I use search volume to determine if this is a winner based on if it's already been a winner for other people inside the Mina software.
Something like this isn't bad, right? Cypress Western boots or some sort of, cowboy boots. It's not that bad. It's a little better than boots. Kind of like this orthopedic dog crate bed, right? It's a little better than just a dog bed, and it's in a really popular niche. The selling price is really good. I'm going to give this a good search on the Google shopping tab, and I'm going to see what are other people selling this for, okay? Orthopedic dog beds are going for 60, 50, 200, 70, 130. This is actually an orthopedic dog bed and crate. This is the Google Ads Keyword Planner, Google's new free, really great tool that shows you how much volume each keyword is generating. You want people searching to buy. They're going to Google Ads to shop. We're going to look up orthopedic dog bed. So what it's going to do for us is give us a bunch of new keywords that are relevant to our keyword and exact to our keyword. So as you guys can see, orthopedic dog bed has 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches. That is over 10 to 100,000 monthly buyers of orthopedic dog beds. So people are looking up best orthopedic dog bed, 10,000 searches a month. Orthopedic bed XL, that's for big dogs, another 1,000 searches a month. That's great. Top of page bid, that's the CPC, is pretty low on these words. It's 60 cents. 50 cents. Orthopedic dog bed is 73 cents for a $200 product. Our store is built. We're going to go to launching a new campaign in Google Ads. What is our objective? Obviously sales. Our conversion goal is going to be purchases. With the business email, Google Ads also gives you a $500 credit if you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the search campaigns. We're obviously going to target website visits. Let's just say our website name is orthodogbed.com. Something easy, something clean, something very close to the product. Ortho bed test search one, because it's going to be a search campaign. We launch our new campaign, so we're going to focus on conversions. Now we're going to optimize we're going to set the bidding to conversions. Don't worry about this too much right now. We're going to change this and we're going to go manual CPC so we can charge every single keyword that we want at the price that we want. So I'm also going to turn off the search network and the display network. Just to give you a little explanation, all that means is when you go to random websites like ESPN or some random blogs, there's random banner ads all the time. So we don't want to just pop up random places on random blogs. That's not how we're going to test this. For right now, since this ad is going to be in English, we're only going to target the United States. Next, it asks you about broad match keywords. For right now, we're going to turn off use keyword match types. We're going to put manually what type of keywords we want to put in. Right now is the most important part. We have our website domain and then the keywords that Google is suggesting that we put in, right? These are all generic keywords that Google thinks we should put in. Dog bed, ortho dog bed, pet bed, plush dog bed, memory foam dog bed. Now, and some of these words are great. Something like dog bed is way too generic. This is when we go back to the beginning of the video, what I was talking about, where it just makes no sense. So what we're going to do is we're literally going to take out every single one of these words. So I'm going to start copying these words into my enter keyword section so I can start testing these keywords. Now, any word that is relevant, right? Best orthopedic dog bed that has some good search volume, I'm going to put here. The reason why I'm putting these words in brackets is because Google has two separate match types. Now, if you watch any of my other videos, you understand why I go so in depth into this because it is so important. So why am I telling you to put brackets? It's because right now, if you struggle with how much you spend when you're testing, this is going to stop it, at least for a little bit. You're going to see every single dollar you spend on every keyword that you input, right? This is an exact match. Now, if we're not getting a lot of clicks, if we're not spending a lot of money when we're testing, then we can branch out and add some more broader keywords. And we might pick something more generic like therapeutic dog bed. This is something that we might add in a phrase match because the phrase has to be therapeutic dog bed, not just randomly dog bed. It has to be the phrase therapeutic dog bed. Next, we have to actually make the ad. This is where you actually design and make the ad. So don't get lost here. We're in the final stretch. In the display path, it just shows people what it looks like on Google right over here under the sponsored. So I'm going to put dog bed, huge sale. So it kind of just shows them, there's a dog bed and huge sale. It's kind of trigger words, as you guys can see here, just so people can see it. Sometimes suggested headlines are really good. I'm going to use best orthopedic dog bed. This is just going to be the headlines of the ad. Everything that you see is going to be the preview here. Now, I might try one or two more keywords like this. I'm going to capitalize everything. So in the description, I'm going to put free shipping and free gift, maybe include, free dog bone or something. No sales tax, just in case you can offer no sales tax. Bundle dog toys with bed and save 30%. This way when I want to use upsells to convince people to buy stuff, I'm going to give them a huge discount. They buy extra toys for their dog, extra dog treats. That is what you want to do to increase your AOV. Next, the site links. All right, the site links are good because you can add different links to different products. Maybe you have a different size or a different color. The call outs just leave out. It's just more business information. We just leave them out for now. You can add more types. Like you can add promotions like a huge sale or free shipping. You could add the price. If you have a phone number, you can add a call. It's telling us to start $500 budget, which is absolutely absurd. I'm gonna use a custom budget of $30. I think you could start with $20 to $10 to $50 just to wean out some good keywords at the beginning. As of right now, we have the exact campaign. All we have to do is hit publish. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this is that the bid strategy is not really letting us change it. We have to actually launch the ads before we change the bid strategy. However, to make sure we spend the budget, I'm going to start off with the maximize conversion strategy, and that's pretty much it. You're done. As of right now, while the bidding strategy is learning, you are adding reviews, you are perfecting the website, making it look good. You're finding upsells. You're finding better keywords to target that might be cheaper. With the keyword planner, you're finding competitors and seeing what else they're doing, copying their GIFs video, which is right here, which you absolutely have to watch if you're very serious about scaling the search ads. You have to subscribe to my channel. You have to comment on what you want to see next. You have to give me a like because this video, I'm telling you, will make somebody over $100,000 in sales before the next quarter is over. Until next time, guys. Professor X is out. Class is over. We're going to understand why this product might work, and then we're actually going to run ads to it.